Skatebolt is an electric skateboard company based in Los Angeles whose main goal is to offer electric skateboards that are safe, convenient, and affordable. The Breeze 2 is our next generation electric skateboard. It's the fastest in the market and has the longest lasting battery, which will last 15 to 18 miles. It has 4 speed modes: low, medium, high, and high plus. The high and high plus speed can go up to 28 miles per hour on 100mm wheels and 25 miles per hour on 90mm wheels. Medium can go up to 15 miles per hour and low at 7 miles per hour on 90mm wheels. The trucks used has a diameter of 310mm, providing a more stable riding experience. Pushing down on the brake of the remote and pressing the HL button will change the braking modes. There's B1 through B4. B1 brakes the softest, while B4 brakes the hardest. We recommend B2 for most riders. The Breeze 2 is also waterproof for less than 1 meter and can stay submerged for up to 20 seconds. Our ESC protected box is made of aluminum, giving it good heat dissipation and higher strength. Most electric skateboards, you have to replace the battery by removing the grip tape, which can damage the board. The Breeze 2 has an easily replaceable battery case on the bottom. Now skaters can detach the wheels from the motor. With most electric boards, replacing the wheels also means replacing the motor since they're connected to each other. On the Breeze 2, you can simply remove the wheel without removing the motor, helping you save money in the long run. Parking at school can be a pain, and so can getting to your class on time. Skating to class on a Breeze 2 is a stylish way to make sure you're on time for your exam. The deck material is made of bamboo with double layers of fiberglass, making the board flexible and resilient. The remote's LCD screen will give you details such as distance traveled, battery life, speed, and more. Pushing down on the LED while you're riding will activate a cruise control mode and will maintain its speed without using the accelerator. There's also 2 LED taillights that flash while holding the brake, assuring your safety when riding at night.
at X Games. My name's Trey Wood. We're out here having fun on these boosted boards with our spare time, just ripping around Minneapolis.
These things are so fun.
It's fast, it's fun, they turn good. Yeah, no, these things are beast. Going uphill with them is the best part, honestly. You just like look up a hill, you just click up and go, like dude.
I actually, out of here, man.
Yeah, so to boost it.
Has arrived. Boosted boards are so much fun. It's one of those boards you get on that you do not want to get off.
Boosteds are so fun. We're bobbing around the whole circle up here in the stadium.
Boosted the Delta machine!
Shadows are her cover until it's time to strike. The X-Panther is on the hunt, baby. The X-Panther is a carbon fiber electric longboard built to perform in tough environments. Riding it is simpler than animal instinct. Just push the throttle to go and pull it back to stop. In the jungle, speed and power are king, and the X-Panther delivers. Its powerful 3,000 watt motors can rocket you to speeds over 30 miles per hour and crush any hill in your path. An advanced lithium battery with the same cells as the Tesla Model 3 can keep you on the hunt for up to 40 miles of real-world range per charge. Your prey will never notice until it's too late, because the X-Panther's battery is hidden inside a sleek carbon fiber deck. It's the ghost of the jungle, and nobody will know it's electric until you sneak up at 30 miles per hour. The X-Panther's body is built for speed. Its carbon fiber deck has a W concave and drop-through trucks that hug your feet and keep your weight low to the ground. It's nimble in deep turns, stable at high speeds, and always ready to pounce. Riding on dual kingpin trucks, the X-Panther is a carving machine. It's built for those who like to turn tight, baby. The X-Panther is lurking in the shadows, ready for mass production. So reserve yours today and tell your friends, because with your support and our passion, we're going to build you a board that will change the way you think about riding forever. Which board should I choose? The X-Panther or X-Panther Pro? The X-Panther is on direct drive motors. That gives you the best of range, it's quieter, and virtually maintenance free. The X-Panther Pro, on the other hand, is a 2-in-1 board, meaning you get street wheels and all-terrain wheels. It runs belt drive motors, which give you more torque, better acceleration, and better hill climbing abilities. If you like to keep it simple, grab the X-Panther. If you want the best of the best and the off-road capabilities, go for that X-Panther Pro. Either way, you're getting an amazing board, so reserve yours today. I promise you're going to enjoy it.